Grand awakening, Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree, book a massage with me, check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs, great products are there. Your word of the day. Trust the process. You didn't come this far to stop. You didn't start to stop. You didn't start so you can question yourself later. Did I make the right decision? Am I doing the right thing? Am my gifts potent enough to manifest the blessings I'm looking for? The answers is yes. The answers are yes. Stop doubting yourselves. Trust the process. Whatever you're going through is going to make you stronger, wiser. Therefore, you can manifest and maintain bigger and stronger blessings. I trust life and my strengths because you're so strong. Every moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. And when you grow, that means you become stronger. Therefore, you can receive bigger, blesser, and bigger, better, and maintain your blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.